hear the red feet with the yellow boy back on here.
But I'm really excited. I think there's penguins supposed to be on this tour. I'm really excited to see some penguins. But I was gonna ask you what you're excited to see, but it's just tucking in. Today we're going to Paracas. We're doing the day tour. It's an early start. I think the bus is supposed to get here about 7. So I've actually been up since about 5:30 because we have to pack everything because checkout, when we come back, it's after checkout. So all of our bags are packed and ready over there. We've just had breakfast. We've made a big dent in that. It was really nice of them because breakfast wasn't supposed to start till 7:15, and we've obviously got really early to go on this tour, so they've done breakfast for us, which is really lovely. And we were just having a chat as well that, well, you can do quite a few different tours here, and one of the ones we didn't choose to do is NASCAR lines, and you can go in an aeroplane, a little helicopter, and just see all the lines, which is incredible. But it's £100 per person, and it's a long drive. We were speaking to the bus driver yesterday, and it's about a 3-hour drive each way for about 45 minutes in the air. So I think it's a really cool thing to do if you have the time, but I think that's the one thing we've decided not to do. But today I'm excited to see some penguins, and hopefully, yeah, see the coast and have a really nice time. It's lucky you're no bigger. I've got like big box under my knees, under my legs.
Have you?
Yeah. It's alright, I can just, you see that? Just
Yeah.
it's fine.
That's for wheel arch.
If you were tall, that'd be right. Let's go. We've paid the 5 soles, which is for the boat, so we're just queuing up waiting to go. Harry's in charge of money and tickets with his pockets, with his with his cargo shorts. Do you think we're going to see any penguins?
I hope so.
Me too. I like penguins. Oh, you can see the mountains over there as well, look. In the distance.
Right here, please.
Perfect. Yeah. Yes. You're the same colour.
I like it.
That'll keep me going.
Okay,
Once we were on the boat, it was about a 30-minute journey out towards the Ballestas Islands, but we didn't have to wait until we reached the islands to see something pretty incredible. Because our first stop was the famous geoglyph, the Paracas Candelabra. What it actually means or who created it is still a bit of a mystery, but at around 180 metres long it was pretty impressive to see up close, and honestly it made us feel a little bit better about skipping the Nazca lines. We continued on, and on the way we passed a few local fishermen, who seemed completely unfazed by all of us staring at them from a boat. And then we got to the part we were really looking forward to.
I like the pelican.
I didn't expect to see the penguins. I thought I'd see penguins, and I got quite excited when I saw the penguins. What else did we? Sea lions. So that was quite exciting too.
Try and find something.
Yeah, let's go get a snack, I think. Bruce. Good day.
After the boat trip, we were feeling pretty calm and chilled until we got back to the pier.
20 minutes.
Suddenly, we had vendors calling out to us from every direction. We were on a mission to find a snack, but there didn't seem to be loads of places to grab a quick bite. More touristy shops than food. But eventually, we did find something.
Ooh, what's in there?
Ese es de queso, dos.
Next, we headed to the Paracas National Reserve, where the desert landscape meets the Pacific Ocean. And the scenery here was honestly incredible to see on the drive. Huge cliffs, beaches, and that bright blue water stretching out in front of us. We headed to the Paracas Site Museum, where we learnt more about the local wildlife, including the Humboldt penguins, the sea lions, and the pelicans that we'd just seen out on the water. The museum had artefacts as well from the ancient Paracas culture, which lived here over 2,000 years ago. Our guide spoke in both English and Spanish, but as we were the only English speakers on the tour, we actually just preferred to take our time and read the boards that interested us. I'd say you need around 45 minutes for this stop, especially if you want to take your time and actually read everything.
We've got mixed ceviche, corn, fried corn snack, and fried rice with seafood, vegetables, I think. Red sauce, and I was suspicious of the red sauce. So we did the tour of the Ballestas Islands on the boat, and that was amazing. I really enjoyed that. I think Harry and I had a really great time. Saw so many animals. They seemed quite surprised to have seen all the sea lions there, because it's not the season for sea lions, so it was quite exciting. And we saw one in the sea eating some fish, so that was really fun. And then they left us to walk along the pier for a bit. It felt quite touristy, that bit, understandably, but yeah, so we just sort of sat on the beach for a bit and got an empanada, and then we went to the museum, which was really interesting, and learned about the rock formations, and then we've just had lunch, which was delicious. We've had ceviche because this is the last time we're going to be by the sea, so we thought it was a good time to have the ceviche, and then we're going to relax by the sea on the beach. I've got some pisco sours, which is always good. It was fizzy. Was it fizzy before?
We've not had a pisco sour.
We've had one. We had it with the tasting lady. The third one in the tasting.
No, but that wasn't a pisco sour.
Oh, no, it wasn't like someone's mixed it. It was just like a bottle.
Yeah.
You were so drunk you didn't remember.
Yep.
Cheers.
Lots of pisco.
I tried to shot it, but it was because it looks like a shot.
Yeah, you can fit it all in.
Too big for a shot.
It's nice to sip.
It's nice to sip. What's that, when you're scared of holes? This hole is freaking me out slightly. I don't like that. Okay.
Quick. It's freezing. We got it just in a little plant. Right, we'll take one more wave when we get it.
Wait. It's got on my legs.
That's it.
What? The path. Careful.
Don't fall over that.
Don't fall over me.
It's very clear to be fair.
It is clear. It's a lot clearer than it was in the other places today.
I guess it's a protected beach because we have to give these tickets.
Oh yeah, good. That's good though. That's what we want to see, protected beaches.
Oh, it's quite down.
The sand is so soft. Had our swim and now we're heading back. This is very sandy. But no, the water's really cold, but it's really fresh. So yeah, Harry has to drag me in because I get scared of cold water. Go back now to the host's hostel. So gonna have a shower and get ready for the rest of the day. Update, I'm quite tired, but I've had a really good day. I've enjoyed the I'm really distracted by the music in the background. I'm just like I really liked the boat tour. That was really good, with seeing the penguins and the sea lions and pelicans. Then the walk was fine. It was a little touristy. And then what else did we do?
The beach.
Oh, the beach was really nice, and we had ceviche by the water, which was really lovely, and I'm glad we did that because we nearly left the seaside without having ceviche, which would have been terrible. So yeah, that was really good, and then just got like some time on the beach. It was really sunny, really nice. So yeah, enjoying that part before more hiking and adventurous stuff, I think, so it's gonna be fun.
What are we doing tonight?
Walking to Huacachina, I think, is the plan, and just sort of milling about, having food in Huacachina and just enjoying it before we get the bus to Arequipa, overnight bus. I splashed out and bought the expensive flat ones, because like when you're like this, like it's just half inclined, you just can't sleep very well. So I'm hoping I can have a good night's sleep, because I think we get there in the morning at like 11. It's a full night, so hopefully it'll be comfortable, but we'll see. It's the afternoon now. I think we're a bit tired. He's having a rest. We've got a big journey tonight, so trying to rest before the long bus journey and charge all our things. It's quite a nice evening, I have to admit. It's quite nice we did this. I was so tempted just to stay in the hotel and just like relax for a couple of hours. Whoa, it's windy. But I'm glad we're doing this, like we just walked to see it for the final time. Like that way, that's so cool. It's so pretty. I love it.
Onwards.
Onwards. Paragliding. This is so cool.
So that was...
This is where they keep the dune buggies that you can see down there.
My watch says it took 6 minutes 34 from our hotel, so it's quite good.
Yeah. Benefits of staying outside of Ica.
Yeah.
Pisco orange juice, grenadine mint liqueur. Oh, mint liqueur, I'm not sure about that. But that does sound nice. Pisco ginger ale, lime juice, nice.
Chicano.
I think we should do that. What are these called?
A Chicano.
A Chicano.
Chicano.
Cheers. You can taste the alcohol in that.
Yeah, we didn't leave the pisco out.
But it's maybe because we didn't, what is it? Hold your breath.
Oh.
You should have held your breath.
That's a good point. Let's hope we don't miss the bus.
It's pretty good though. I'd probably order that again. I like the birds. And you can see the sand dunes there. It's very nice. Good little way to spend the last couple of hours, I'd say.
So this is the tiki backyard. Looks like they have a pool and some rooms.
Yeah, it does.
And a nice restaurant. So.
Yeah, looks fun.
And some friendly staff.
Yeah, that is good. I like how it has one olive on it. One black olive. If it's like the ones we tasted, you know.
I will enjoy my one olive.
Question is if it got a pip in it or not. And I've got some vegetable curry. And I love how they put avocado on the rice. I'm going to adopt that, I think. Saying that avocados are never ripe in the UK. Maybe not. But we will enjoy now. very dark. That's what it looks like. Say goodbye to Huacachina. Huacachina. I honestly think it's quite funny that it's just like, what is it, like a fence where they just said no more sand on the road, and it's just kept it up as well by the looks of it.
More buggy.
Nighttime buggying. You feel like this fire is there's nobody here. I guess that'll just burn out.
Yeah, I think it's unnatural.
Gracias.